Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to go over yesterday's trades, which I didn't have a time to upload, and we're going to go over what I'm doing today, which is a little unorthodox and kind of stupid, but it is what it is and it's going to be what it's going to be. So I'll go over that after. So yesterday I took two trades both on Apple, and I'm just pulling this up now, so as I play it, I kind of didn't rewatch this video right before I started making this video, so I'm a little lost in the trade, but I'll remember as I go into it. I made like $4 yesterday, so it wasn't anything crazy, but I remember the second trade being a good trade. And I think I'm going to get right into the trade. Oh. Alright, so this first trade I'm buying on the push over the 9 moving average. This is a 117 call that expires Friday. One contract cost me $300, $310. And this is like a crossover trade. So the 9 moving average crossed over the 50. And I'm getting in for the momentum up above that because it's looking bullish. But it's not quite making the move I thought it was gonna make. Plus I'm so close to the 117 I bought. It needs to hold over the 117 and it's just not doing that. It's just hanging out too long. See how long it was at 117, just kind of hanging out there? So that's not too bullish. Or that's not the momentum I'm looking for. Zoom in a little bit. So I think I get out of this thing really soon. Just because it's consolidating at 117. Right there, I end up getting out. I think I made $1. Oh, $2 on that trade. Whoop-de-doo. So I let this thing run a little longer. I end up pausing the video. That 117.19, that's a key level, and the 116.54 just kind of in between those. So my next trade, I end up hitting the record after I get into the trade. So let me find that trade. I don't edit these videos too well. So I want to get a put for the break of 117. But it's going to go up and tap that one. It's going to get close to 117.19. Or does it? I don't think it does actually. Never mind. Yeah, I ended up getting a put for the break of 117 going down, because it can't quite hold it. It pushed up to 117.14. So right around here somewhere. What the heck is it? So I'm getting the puts ready for one contract. I think I have just around that much money in available funds left yesterday. And right there. So the break of 117 I bought. Right as this candle opened and started to go down. Right as this candle opened up here, I clicked the ask and I bought on the ask right as this candle opened, because it opened underneath the 9 moving average. Let me just go back to that and pause it. See, I got in right here, and these are the kind of moves I'm looking for. This is the exact, if I could get into these moves every day, it'd be a, man, I'd be a perfect trader. I would never miss out, but it's not going to happen like that. So this is one of those trades that was really good. I got in for the break of 117 right when this candle opened, and it just flushed right down. And it crossed over. It's hovering around the 50, so I got out right there, just in case this next candle turned around. But I could have stayed in it now that I'm looking at it, because it does end up going and continuing down. So yesterday, I ended the day just under $5. So that's that. Oh, and thank you guys for 300 subscribers. We are at the 300 subscriber mark. For the 300 subscriber special, I am going to make $4.60 yesterday. And I did that. So we hit our goal for the 300 subscriber special. Now we just need to get to 400 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you like this content of me losing and winning, but more losing, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like and comment. But that's it for that. So let's get to the nitty gritty of today. You guys are going to be disappointed in me. This is not my style. But I FOMO'd into a trade this morning. Here's the open. So let me explain myself. This is kind of embarrassing. Alright. So the bell rang. We had this first candle. The 1 minute candle. Looking bullish. The whole thing, there was a big gap down the whole pre-market and after hours. So a gap down. I figured earnings of this week on Apple. Alright, so there's a lot of selling overnight. So we're going to open and we're going to push up. I ended up buying 3 calls, 120, right here. And what happened? It turned against me. Turned against me. Still going down. Still going. Wait, where are we at? I was looking at. I'm so dumb. Alright. 5 minute. Yes, I was looking at the right chart on the 1 minute, but the 5 minute looks better. So I end up buying 3 call options up here. What happens? The next 5 minute candle opens, ends up flushing all the way down. I'm down 133.50 right now. I didn't end up getting out. I told myself I'm gonna hold on to these. These expire Friday. Earnings for Apple are tomorrow, I think. So I said I'm gonna hold these overnight. Stupid idea. You know what? It's my small account. I could afford to lose the money. It's basically a play account. I mean, I would hate to blow it up this way, but worst case scenario, I add more money to the account. I mean, I'm not going to let the account go to zero and stop trading. So we're at negative 133 right now. It's kind of curling back up. We'll have to see what happens towards the end of the day, power hour. Something big could happen close to earnings and then overnight. But we'll have to get back to the excitement of this tomorrow. So I will be filming a video tomorrow on what happens with this. But the only problem is I'm not going to have any funds available tomorrow to trade. So this will be it. I mean, we're slowly moving our way back up. I was at the most negative like 140 down here at the bottom. So I know I might get a lot of hate, or why you guys, why are you doing that? It's stupid move. I know it is. If it wasn't so close to earnings, like if this didn't happen today, I probably would have got out. I would have took $100 loss regardless, but that's just how I am with these losers. I keep telling myself in all my big losing videos that I'm not going to hang on, I'm just going to get out, and I end up hanging on. It's hard. If you guys are paper trading and you haven't traded with real money yet, just, get good with paper trading, but once you go to real money, it's easy to get out when you're paper trading because you can keep trading, but the emotion with real money is something totally different, because I paper traded for a while, and it's not the same. You'll never get that same effect as what real money does to your emotions. But on a good note, this could be at $10,000 tomorrow. Plus, no, it won't be at that, but who knows? We'll see. Worst case scenario, these expire worthless, which is going to be see my average price. Yeah, I could just go to this screen. So this is my options trade screen on the trade tab. I don't like trading on this. I don't know why. I should start because it gives my average. So my average is $1.15. So $345 if these expire worthless. So that's basically blowing up the account. But you know what? I'm trying to make good content, even if it's positive or negative content. It's going to be good regardless. So that's going to be it for today. Oh, one more thing. I got some requests to do a how to make a trading YouTube channel video. If anyone's interested, I'm probably going to do that this weekend. Just go over just the small steps, because it's really not much to start a channel. I know a lot of people want to start one, and I encourage everyone to. I could go through the software I have and what microphone I'm using, and I'm just using my laptop computer. So that's basically it. I'll make a more in-depth video if people are into that, but just let me know in the comments. So other than that, we're going to see what happens with this, and I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Alright guys.